Scene 1, deciding on milk type.
Hi, I'm looking to buy some milk.
Sure. What type of milk are you looking for?
I'm not sure. What are my options?
We have whole milk, skim milk, and almond milk.
What's the difference between whole milk and skim milk?
Whole milk has more fat, while skim milk has less fat, but also fewer calories.
I think I'll go with skim milk.
Do you want a small, medium, or large bottle?
Let's go with a large bottle.
Great choice. Would you like to add any other dairy products today?
Do you have yogurt as well?
Yes, we have a variety of flavors.
I'll take a vanilla yogurt too.
All right, anything else?
No, that's all.
That'll be $6.50.
Here's the payment.
Thanks. Here's your milk and yogurt.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Scene 2, asking about expiration dates.
Hi, I need some milk, please.
Of course. What kind of milk are you looking for?
I usually get whole milk, but can you tell me when it expires?
Let me check. The expiration date on this bottle is next week.
I was hoping for something with a longer shelf life.
We just received a new batch. Let me grab one from the back.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Here you go. This one expires in 2 weeks.
That's perfect. I'll take it.
Anything else you need?
Actually, do you have lactose-free milk?
Yes, we do. It's right over here.
I'll take one of those as well.
All right, your total is $5.80.
Here's my card.
Great, you're all set.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
Scene 3, comparing prices.
I'm here to buy some milk, but I noticed the price has changed.
Yes, prices have gone up a bit recently. What kind of milk are you interested in?
I usually get almond milk, but it's more expensive now.
Yes, almond milk prices have risen. You might want to try our in-house brand. It's more affordable.
How much is the in-house brand?
It's $3.99 for a half gallon, compared to $4.50 for the name brand.
That's quite a difference. Does it taste the same?
Most of our customers say they can't tell the difference.
Okay, I'll give it a try then.
Good choice. Anything else you need?
Nope, just the milk for today.
All right, your total is $3.99.
Here's the cash.
Thanks. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. I'll let you know how the milk is.
I'd love to hear your feedback. Have a great day.
You too.
Scene 4, looking for organic milk.
Hi, do you sell organic milk here?
Yes, we do. It's right over here in the refrigerated section.
What sizes do you have?
We have half-gallon and gallon sizes available.
How much is the gallon?
The gallon is $6.50.
That's a bit more than I expected. Is there any sale on it?
Not today, but we often have discounts during the weekends.
I might come back this weekend then.
Good idea. Anything else you're looking for?
Just the milk today.
Do you need help carrying it?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
All right, that will be $6.50.
Here's my card.
Thanks. See you this weekend.
Have a good day.
Scene 5, confusion about different milk types.
Hi, I'm a bit confused. What's the difference between all these types of milk?
No problem, let me explain. We have whole milk, skim milk, and several plant-based options like almond and oat milk.
I usually buy regular milk, but I've been thinking of switching to plant-based.
That's a great choice. Almond milk is low in calories, while oat milk is creamier.
Which one is closest to regular milk in taste?
Oat milk tends to have a more similar texture and taste to cow's milk.
Okay, I'll try oat milk then.
Do you want a half-gallon or a quart?
Let's go with a quart to try it out.
Good call. Anything else?
No, just the milk for today.
All right, your total is $3.50.
Here's the cash.
Thanks. Enjoy your oat milk.
Thanks, I will.
Have a great day.
You too.